Welcome back to Channel V8X, where we bring you the latest cars, luxury rides, and future-ready vehicles. If you love premium family cars and next-generation hybrids, you're in the right place. Let's take a closer look at the stunning Toyota Sienna 2025 Hybrid in pearl white. The Toyota Sienna 2025 Hybrid is designed for families who want comfort, efficiency, and modern style all in one package. Finished in a classy pearl white color, this minivan looks elegant, clean, and premium from every angle. Starting with the front view, the Sienna immediately grabs attention. The bold grille, sharp LED headlights, and aerodynamic lines give it a confident and modern presence. The pearl white paint reflects light beautifully, making the front design look even more luxurious and futuristic. Moving to the side view, the Sienna shows its true family-friendly character. The long, smooth body lines, large windows, and sliding doors make it practical while still looking stylish. From this angle, you can really appreciate how balanced and well-proportioned the Toyota Sienna 2025 Hybrid is, especially in this elegant pearl white finish. Now let's talk about the back view. The rear design is clean and modern, featuring sleek LED taillights and a wide stance. It looks stable, safe, and premium, perfect for long family trips and daily driving alike. Toyota has clearly focused on both style and functionality here. Step inside, and the dashboard and interior truly impress. The cabin feels spacious and modern, with a digital infotainment screen, high-quality materials, and a driver-focused layout. Everything is designed for comfort and convenience, making long drives smooth and relaxing for the whole family. From a drone shot, the Sienna looks even more impressive. Its roofline, body shape, and pearl white color stand out beautifully from above, giving it a luxury vehicle vibe that you wouldn't expect from a traditional minivan. On the highway, the Toyota Sienna 2025 Hybrid delivers a calm and confident driving experience. The hybrid system provides excellent fuel efficiency, smooth acceleration, and quiet performance, perfect for road trips and everyday use. During a night shot, the Sienna transforms into a futuristic ride. The glowing LED headlights, city lights reflecting off the pearl white paint, and its sleek silhouette create a premium, high-end look. When it comes to price, the Toyota Sienna 2025 Hybrid is expected to start around $38,000 to $45,000, depending on the trim and features, making it a strong value in the hybrid family vehicle segment. That was the Toyota Sienna 2025 Hybrid in pearl white. If you enjoyed this detailed walk-around, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for Channel V8X. Stay tuned for more luxury cars, hybrids, and next-level automotive content, only on Channel V8X Rocket.